Hello dear learners, this is Dr. Sedhupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now we are going to discuss about Introduction to the Programming Language C. Agenda for the discussion is Invention of C, Learning English language versus C language, programming languages, and then what is low level and high level language. The C is invented at AT&T Bell Laboratory of USA during 1972. It was designed and written by Ritchie, who is a famous computer scientist. It is very popular language despite being old. The main reason for its popularity is because it is a fundamental language in the field of computer science. C is strongly associated with Unix as it was developed to write the Unix operating system. And the comparison between English language and the C language, there is a close analogy between learning English versus learning C language. From the diagram itself, you can able to understand that learning English starts from alphabets. So what are all the alphabets like A, B, C, D, etc. From alphabets, you can learn words. Once you get learned words, from words you can learn sentences, as well from sentences you can learn paragraphs. Like the same way, while you learning C language, in the first step you have to learn alphabets, digits and special symbols. These are all together called character set in C language. Once you learned these character sets, you can learn constant, variables and keywords of the programming language C. And then you can learn instruction sets. If you learn all these things, then you can able to write simple C programs. This is simple analogy between learning English language as well learning programming language C. Next one is programming languages. Computer programming languages are basically classified into two types as follows. Number one is low level language and number two is high level language. Low level languages are basically machine versus assembly. So machine language usually zeros and ones. It is actually difficult to write and not portable between different computers. Whereas assembly language, which uses symbolic instructions like add, move, sub, like that are easier for humans to write and understand, but require translation by an assembler into machine code for execution. And then in the translation process, assembly code is converted into machine code by an assembler, enabling computers to execute instructions written in assembly language. High-level languages like Pascal, COBOL and Fortran are machine independent and portable across different systems. They are understandable by machines but require translation into machine language using software known as translators. Translators include compilers, interpreters and assemblers. Here, compilers converts entire high-level code into machine code before program runs, which is efficient for large programs, and interpreters translate high-level code line by line into machine code, checks errors as it runs. It is slower but useful for smaller and interactive programs. Whereas assembler, it converts assembly language code into machine code, enabling computers to execute human readable instructions. Thank you, my dear learners, for patient listening. I would like to see you in future with some other interesting topics. Thank you once again.